Dimane uyangifuna uyangishela daba yakushela bhuti only to find bese kunabanye abaningi abangishelile ne sengenzeni sengibonile ukuthi kunaba fostayo angishela dimane ngamqomo because bengifana nabanye abocheka ngami la ngaphandle bengokuqoma kodwa ngokuqomanga ngiqoma because ungiconvinceile wena I told you ukuthi angekho lapho I bottled many things inside yabo so ziyangigulisa la I'm not sure about myself anymore umuntu makaqala athi ungenzi kanje noma bengibona ukuthi right sengiyajika yabo I used to be like that but I was never being myself ever since ngibuye ejele mina never that's now this year I'm starting to be like feeling myself because now I'm checking out things yabona but I'm checking out things so liyagulisa lengulisile ejele kakhulu nenombolo.
Shooting Justify has been an amazing experience, but we had challenges behind the scenes. One, we dropped the camera, and trust me, it has been a stress. We didn't even have money for it. We thought that it was gonna take a while for us to raise money for the camera. So what we did is that we tried on an app called Pocket Option, and trust me, thanks to trading on Pocket Option, I've improved my life since I've chosen the right strategy for me. I also love Pocket Option for the possibility to withdraw my earnings in cryptocurrency. Most importantly, zero withdrawal fees. Fast, convenient, and safe. Trading takes me a maximum of 20 minutes in a day, which has allowed me to do more than myself. So I think that the above facts are more than enough to start trading with Pocket Option. Besides, they have a bonus with my promo code, JUST100, JUST100, which adds 100% to your first deposit. Baba, how are you?
I'm good and yourself?
I'm fantastic.
Yabo.
Yeah, how you feeling?
Happy, loved. Ever since I'm on social media, man, I receive a lot of love, which I never had before. I thought the world hates me. But 24 years after jail time, I begin to open up now, Thinking, to me, I told myself that I'm healed now. To cough some things that I was bottling in, because I was sick, man. There is inombolo ejele. There is experiences ejele. A crime, ngokwayo nje before ejele, it is traumatizing because you do bad things, you hurt people, you stab people, you see people crying, begging you for forgiveness, which sometimes they were not wrong. You get into their space and you harass them, taking their things, So that is a trauma. So it delays me, to heal outside because I never went to seek help anyway. Everything, I did it on my own, Even in jail, I reprimand myself. I talk to myself, so that when I come out, what I was going to do and stuff.
Let's talk about how you got to jail.
First time, but I was maybe 11, 10, right there, yes. So my mother left me in her friend's house because I never have a house of my own with my mother. Yes, till today. So this friend of my mother accused me of stealing her blankets and stuff, her belongings actually, which I did not. And she called police on me and I was arrested for the first time. But I stayed over a weekend, only to find on Monday, it was on Friday when they arrested me. On Monday, I went to court in Protea police station and they didn't find maybe a reason to charge me or what, because I never appeared in court, Ngajika nje eMzansi emaseleni and then went back to the police station. Later on that day, it was around 5, 6. They released me. One of the policemen asked me, "Hey man, what are you waiting for here?" I said, "No, I'm from court." And I was not called in. So I don't know from now. They say, "Hey, go home." and never do shit again. Go home. That's when I come out. And from there, anger, man. Anger. Because I was not living with my mother and I did not know why. Because she just left me there, thinking she will come back maybe today or tomorrow or sooner. And she went wire, put. So it was double rape, double robbery. That's what takes me to prison.
What happened?
You see, my brother, I was a member of gangster. Yes. In fact, I was a leader at this one because I joined the gangster before here in Gauteng, and then I went to Free State, and then I opened mine. You will understand that I'm developed here, gangster-wise. Yes. So when I get to Free State, I found that they are too slow. They are gangsters, but they copy their styles from Gauteng. You know, everything they do, they embrace Jozi. You know, so it was my privilege there for me to collect them easy, you know, because I'm from Jozi, you know. So I share them little stories and then they get attracted and they joined me. So this papaya da, so this one, in that case, when I start forming this gang, he was not there. He was already in prison for some reasons. So he was sentenced 6 months. So makabuya yena sengihlangane nabangani bakhe. And then abangani bakhe sesi gangster. Makabuya, he joined us. You know, only to find I'm dating now his sister. You know, so but they told me, this friend of mine, because they are his friends, you know, they told me, ukuthi umuntu ubhuti walo sisi lo angeke uba solunge wena. Ngathi mina uthando sizobona, because I was that kind of a guy. I was not scared.
No fear.
Yes, sir. So makabuya sesiyajola, and then we were fighting every day, especially when we are drunk. During the night, I have scars of him here, you know. He used to stab me, I used to stab him, you know. It was not clear at that time, ukuthi silwela usisi wakhe. Yabo, but bekuyikwali, you understand the grudge.
Yeah.
Everything will trigger a grudge. You know, everything that is small will trigger a grudge. Only to find it's like now we are hating each other. You know, kanti next silwela usisi wakhe lo muntu. Yabo. So sakanga senze izinto up until this time of this case. Yabo. So ngalelanga le case, it was Friday nje. Sizula senze umsebenzi wethu as usual. Yabo, because as I said, sometimes I was marking people if we are not robbing using guns. We were just using knives, pangas, you know. Yes. All those dangerous objects, we used to use them, you see, to intimidate people so that we can easily take their belongings. So on that day, we are on the duty. Besemsebenzini wethu. But now, you understand ukuthi masingabangani, we will move like pairs. 3 there, 4 there, 5 there. Sometimes when you go to the tavern now, we are together, you know, we are all friends. So ngihamba nabanye mina, we were 3, 4. Yes, we were 4. So siyahamba kusebusuku, mina ngiyobheka igirlfriend yami. Igirlfriend yami was holding ama-peace jobs eMnambithi, Natal, for her mother, you know.
Okay.
When her mother is not there, then my girlfriend will go and cover for her. So she went for the whole month. She was not there all along. Then when she came back, she did not inform me in time, as usual. So, ufike ngabongo lwesithathu la. Friday, I heard rumors ukuthi umuntu wakho khona. That's when ngabona 9:10 sesiyaphuma ke. And then uphuma kwethu siphuma ngomsebenzi, but I'm telling myself ukuthi ngiloko ngifunana nomuntu wami futhi. Ngiya endaweni engazi ukuthi uthanda zona. Uyabona, because sesidlulile kubo akekho. Uyabona? That's when I say, okay, ngiyazi ngizomthola phi. siyahamba right nje si-approacha ikhona nje kwelinye ikasi naba abantu bavela bagijima yabo we almost ran away nathi yabo the way bavele ngakhona yabo mabavela siyabona ukuthi hayi ilabantu ischeme sethu lesi eMachita what happened I bagijima bangakhulumi like they were in a hurry but yabona bagijima bangasiphenduli thina sithi hayi mhlambe babaqeda ukubamba inkonzi sibabiza idombo yabona besibabiza idombo sithi mhlambe baqeda ukubamba isidombo la yabona manje siyabagijimisa or something like that awuthi sobona masiloko sihamba ngalendlela ebaqhamuke ngayo I'm telling you bhuti azange sibone umuntu azange sibone lutho until singene kule tavern besiya kuyo masingena kule tavern sizokwazi ukuthi manje sifike sithenge thunyana sibheka abantu sibasesha ngamehlo who has money who buys a lot there by the counter uyabona izinto ezinjalo sitrace kanjalo abantu abaphethe imali so umuntu wami mina on the day azange ngimthole futhi la yabo lo sis azange ngimthole then we went out saqhubeka ngomsebenzi siloko sibamba abantu endleleni until size sifike ehontshini lami yabo endaweni yami nje la ngibloma khona nje bengine room nyana nje siblome namajita overnight ke leyo siloko siphuza but we never slept yabo sishaya 24 hours siloko sibhekile because namachwala la yabo ekseni ngithi neman usisi ngiyamfuna usisi because I loved her so much yabona and it was first real love for me yabona yokuthi ngiyakhisa manje ungifundise Roma manje yabona sengikwazi ukuthi manje ngitotoloze 99 ngayibeke phezulu kwephenti yabona or singayenze ngathi so I used to love her ungifundisa into eningi beka umdala kimi nga 2 years yabo yeah and lo sisi lo beka ngathanda ubutsotsi but ngidluliseleyo ungikhoze million times but I couldn't listen to her because I was providing with that money and she did not know and mina ngasaba ukuthi mangaye kubutsotsi kuzoba nenkinga because angisakhona ukuthi makafikile ngimprovide nyana uyabona izinto ezinjalo sharp ngiphume mina ngihambe ngibuyele kuphi kubo manje on my way kubo qale kube nenye ivurvanyana nje yokuthi ngimiswa amaphoyisa nenye out endleleni ngikhombe nje ingimise yabo bathi mina ngithathe isibhamu nabangani bami hayi man mina ene ngiyazi bamthathela isibhamu immediately makakhuluma sengiyazi ukuthi uye lo mina bese ngazi story but ngingazi umnikazi westory but makayibeka ngithi okay this is the guy ngithi hayi mina ngithatha ngesibhamu sakho bhuti ayawume wena but I know uyabona sisokolesana plus mina bengaboshwa easy. Every policeman who arrested me before, they know ukuthi mina I was fighting. Bengimshaya ngishaya inqindi kuqala anginandaba ukuthi like ngizolwa ngendlela yokuthi ngifuna ukuvula imbobo yokubaleka. Angilwele ukuthi ngishaye lo muntu ngimwine. Nganyathela iphoyisa enyaweni nje ngimphushe ahlale phansi ngeyibona ngibaleke. That's what I used to do, uyabona. So lelo langa ngibasogolise ngokutshela ukuthi even eyafika epolice station but ingavaleka ngomnyango emuva. Ngiloko ngiyehla ngiyehla bathi ngibele ngaphezulu kwayo. Even ngiyehlele ngale bangigijimisa bangibambe futhi bangifake bangikhombe ngezibhamu la enyaweni bangihohle ukuthi nje ngingene evenini and bengeke ngene izohamba kancane until izongena epolice station. So that is what happened on the day. Ngangena epolice station mangifika epolice station ngithola kugcwala amaphoyisa. Ngaphandle nje kwegate nje. Hey, siphi isibhamu wena bafuna isibhamu labantu. Siphi isibhamu hayi mina ngisiphika isibhamu. But ke I got released the same time. Angazi why. Uyabona? Bavele nje bathi mike nahambe sengizwa ngingakatshelwa yilo. Mike nahambe imessage yeza kancane sengikhululekile okay hamba ndoda ungadlaleli kude. Yabona bebathanda ukusho kanjalo ngithi hayi idayila zabo laba. Plus kulelo police station I'm known. My name was Friday. So wonke umuntu was Friday. I'm a leader of the gangster. And then nami ngisebenzela ukuthi ngibe ne fame bengithanda leyo nto ukuthi ngibe ne fame yabona ngidume ngisatshwa yeah bengithanda leyo nto so izinto zami eziningi ngizenzela leyo nto ukuthi I must be scary yabona abantu kumele bazi ukuthi ngubani ngayenzani what I'm capable of so ngihambe but ngitshela ukuthi the following day okay the same day was Saturday now the same day later on ngibuyela kumuntu wamazange sakhona ukuya and then ngayendlini ngabuyela later mangibuyela later nyana ngifike la kubo umngani wami ngithola lo mngani wami ke intwana kaChiriam uyabona this brother I found him there siyaqoqa indoda nenzeni kanti hayi angishashaya nje ukuthi hey mfethu leyazi le dombo asho kanjalo uyazi le dombo sisahlele sikhona ukubona kulesa strata akunamabonda la kusemakhaya nyana nje amadrat ama-fence wakhona so sikhona ukubona that side of the street yabo ngale kule strata singale mangithi sibona imoto yamaphoyisa plus ibona uye umngani wami ke uthi hey leya moto kwenzakalani mangithi hlangithi abokhada ngithi futhi abomkwena angithi siyabaza uma CID ngithi hayi le mpatho umkwena le athi kimi ayikho into eniyenzile ngithi hayi next singazi ke because sihlala sishisa sihlala sifuneka we only hoping for the best ukuthi bayadlula naba bamegate kusho ba roundile basome egate la mabafika la egate bangena siyabezwa mayima but sichokekile asibaleki because bekumele sibaleke sihlezi sishisa and mina futhi yabona I have almost 6 to 7 cases ezingifunayo hlezi ngibaleka yabo so amaphoyisa afike lana bahamba nabo sisi abayi2 amaphoyisa ayi2 sihlele phansi kwesihlahla and then they pointed at this guy ukuthi now even before khuluma amaphoyisa mabavela nje bathi now amaphoyisa athi oh uye lo bathi ya uye lo athi ngiyenzeni bathi indoda ungazokhuluma yazo rapile wena yo then lamaphoyisa ngoba yangazi athi lona yena boyithupho bathi hayi lona smart kanje bathi indoda sambe
bayakuthatha
bayangishiya mina angathi mina abangazi bayangishiya mabangishiya halfway to the gate lo bhuti wami lo athi hey Friday awutshela usisi wami ukuthi ngiyaboshwa mfethu please ayi mangisathi ngendlini bathi oh usala uthi ubani wena ngithi mina ngoAbel Moleko bathi no wayilo muntu athi Friday wena ngithi hayi angazi mhlawumbe ukhuluma ngelanga angazi ngizama bathi nene khona iphoyisa lekhala ngawe ukuthi wena ulitshela amanga wena ukuthi awuso Friday kanti Friday ofuthi ke angenzakalela leyo nto ukuthi amaphoyisa ame la bathi uFriday ubani ngathi hayi mina ngimazi bangiyeka halfway nje mabasebahamba khona umunye usisi bamanayi la athi uFriday uye lo yini menayi lo mabathi bayajika baza kimi ngishaya khona ngibaleke 99 manje so ngifuna ngaleyo ndlela leyo bathi khona iphoyisa likufunayo la sambe ukuboshwa kanjalo kwami kanti I will never come back yabo singene emotweni sambe emotweni uyazikhulumela limani hayi mina yangirayipanga ngibhekene kahle mina baze bathi endoda yekela kuba buza imibuzo like uyaba intimidate or something yabona uyabathusa or something singene police station avalelo kule cell ngihambe nyovalelwa kule cell that's when ngimgcina mina
sure
that guy that's when ngimgcina sihlele Saturday Sunday kuzo omunye umuntu futhi uzongimemeza uyathola la kuse police station esephambi kwelokushini phakathi kwelokushini so people used to shout from outside mabafuna umuntu okhuluma nomuntu la eseleni nathi sikhona ukubiza abantu bethu sikhulume nabo through the window yabo it's not far from the fence so we'll take a mirror nje a small mirror nje and sibabheke like a review sisebenza siyabheka ukuthi kwenzakalani nangapha kanjalo sibheke yabo so kuze la out ifike ngimemeze Friday ayingiphakame la hola athi man manje kanti kwenzakalani la ngizwa amaphoyisa athi uboshiwe wena noKenta yabo so khona manje uKenta ushiya impahla la kimi bathi ngize nazo yabo how endoda ukhona leyo muntu la ake ningene nami ngifuna ukwazi izitori mfethu fela angazi next angene kanti naye akasaphumi uyaboshwa la imani
ulethe impahla mara bayambamba bayamfuna
yes waboshwa naye
so manje ni 3
sesi 3 kanti ila enqondweni yami ukuthi si 3 sesi 2 manje
heba
angazi so ngibona kuphi ukuthi sesi 2 on Monday sebafuna ukuyosithatha amapiano manje that case le engibophisile it was now the 60th case accounts enginayo bayibiza kanjalo if unama case ay6 they will say you have 6 account yabo that's when kuvuka namanye nje bengifuneka nalele rape manje I was charged with it first yabona how ngithi mina kanti kwenzakalani la bathi endoda awume kancane asazi thina siyacharge nje e-charge office it's not a criminal investigator this one usebenza e-charge office okuchargewa kwami lo muntu loyana uphi azange sambona hey athina sazi zobuza ama CID yanibophile yabo how engitryelele but manje sengiyatrayela manje ngiyecourt ka 1 they say you are greeting the magistrate for the first time you just going to greet uyafika akakhulumi nawe what's your name oboshela into so and then further investigations go back to the cell here's the new date uyangithola bangenza kanjalo tomorrow futhi ngabuye court ngisengixakazela nalamanye ama case manje uyabo sengi1 manje masengibuya kwesi2 e court la ngino I choose la okuyilo senempahla you know the third one is no more 3 months down the line is try like all the stresses everything was there to me yabona of which lento yangenza ukuthi ngishaya abantu kakhulu e police station I was known ukuthi ngiyakushaya mina mawufikile abanye bazokuthusa uyadelela muyiseni ku Friday cell number 5
amaphoyisa bayisa umuntu eselelakho
wena mawungena ubathuka ngathi umuntu makaboshwa adakiwe but uyathukana amaphoyisa then bazokutshela ukuthi muyiseni ku Friday lo yabo and I'm telling you I'm going to do the job kunalabe sebathi liyangihlanyisa ijele because I tried for 2 years yabo ngidla ama Christmas ayi2 kahle ngilapho kulelo sele elincane yabona so lento leyo yangenza ukuthi ngingasabe nozwelo plus nginama anger issues wami ke uyabona aqalene kumama ami ukuthi ngingaphili nomama ami stepfather in uyabona so nginama anger issues but I was not aware I thought ukuthi is my braveness yabona nginje I thought ukuthi nginje
personality yakho
yes so 3 months down the line is trial lapho lo cherry wami lo uzongibona for the first time manje and lo muntu lo bengingalali angangibonanga ngiboshwa namhlanje uyeza ngiboshwe ebusuku uzolandela imoto yamaphoyisa lo girl as usual but on that time azange eze until 3 months ngifaka imila ezaminingi akezi until 3 months mageza uzongitshela ukuthi his brother is late now ushonile lo ekumele ngiyokhuluma ngaye ecourt ushonile now ubulawe yini no bamthole phakathi kweshop so ngiyayazi leyo shop sayiphula for the 3rd time so yena bese kabuyela for the 4th time that's when they got him in there they killed him
umphakathi
amshanga amatshe waze washona wanqwatshwa amatshe la angakanqwatshwa bamshanga amatshe la waze washona I just saw ithombe nje uyakhumbula ukuthi back then we didn't have cell phones bashuta nje A1 ngecamera it happened ukuthi bangilethela isithombe yabo ngisibone I just saw stones load of stones like a grave yabo kanti umuntu ongaphansi la ngithi lo muntu mara ngemboni bathi ne ongaphansi kwalawo matshe ukhona uvalwe yiwo amaningi but okay to me was like bambulale kanjani singakavele court was like maybe ngizotola manje maybe ngizophuma wenze kahle bambulala plus ngiboshiso uye la mina ngiblame yena mara yabona angikho nengqondo straight yabona sambile 12 months yo but ngikhumbula on the day ngangifuna ukubaleka yabo ngangifuna ukubaleka ukuthi kuze abo lebo mathosa yabo ena abakadomi sazi thina abo Brenda nayo khona sazi abo Lucky Dube okhona uyabona kanti ba feature nabo lebo mathosa basasebasha sikabazi thina plus mina ngibaze sengisejele straight abo lebo mathosa uyabo sizwa isound siphambi kwe stadium iCharles Mopedi Stadium siphambi kwe stadium so abangena ma sound siyezwa even nasebusuku baba bengimuzwa lebo mathosa bengimuzwa uBrenda Fassie ngihlele windowini so like this nali window ngimamele la hayi ingqondo yami ayisebenzi kahle plus angiboshela into engayazi but plus sengitole ama case ayi3 ngaleso sikhathi 6 months time sengisele nga3 2 ye robbery I mean one yenkonzo ukurobha umuntu one yase shop ukurobha ishipa one yale manje rape sekusele wona 7 8 9 months bese ngisele nga case 1 le rape of which kube nyaphuma mina you understand kube nyaphuma so kunala bayibangikhipha ngephutha yabo during these 2 years ngiphume kayi2 yabo but 5 days le enye ngaphuma 3 days so ngiphume ngephutha ecourt angathi benginama case amaningi but enye le ithi kimi free bail le yangibamba inkonzi kuyo only to find that guy oyangazi nyamazi yabo so engathi kusebenzele yonto yokwazana yabo wavela wathi hayi akana danger la man bangikhipha bangilanda endlini after 3 days
Futhi.
Yeah bengicabanga ukuzala eJozi
Yeah.
ngisaqabanga ukuthi ngibaleke manje ugogo wami bekahleze la kimi yabo akuqede ngalezi zinto zakho zobugebengu ini and ngisaba ugogo wami ngerespect leyo yokuthi is my parent phela and ngapha nginobutsotsi yabo ngicabanga kakhulu 3 days leyo bangilanda ngisaqabanga ukubaleka bafika bangithatha indoda uphume ngephutha yabo mase after 11 months now ngiyakugcina court bangishanga remind bathi now we are going to the final manje kusele ngikhumbula kusele 5 days kuthi kube yi20 zaka May yabo mina ngaphuma nge20 nge500 bail from 3000 to 500 yabo and le 500 le ngiphanda kanjani ngiwasha imoto zama CID la ngaphandle police station they used to call me ngiwasha imoto so by the time sengiphanda ibail manje bese ngasafuni nokuthi ubani aphume mawuphumile wena ngoba iphoyisa la kufavor mawuphumile washa imoto leyo mali uzoyiletha la kimi by fire by force unamanga wena otherwise ngizoyenza iplan lokuthi ngifike eseleni lakho because I was now a boss kuleyo police station yabo bengiyiboss benginokuphuma ngenkani ngiyebhesi ukunganamuntu ongibizayo bengibasokolisa bonke amaphoyisa yabo bese khona la ngingasafihla insango ngibhemela straight emaseleni mabangena bavula umnyango ngibamela bawuvule ngilo ngiqedelela mabawuqeda ukuvula bangibona ukuthi manje ngiyabhema and ukugqwela intuthu ngilahlela etoilet ngiyaflash. And then the station commander there will come to me and say, Muleko mona, my surname is Muleko. Muleko mona, don't smoke during the day. Please, just smoke during the night only. That's when Sizwana nalo baba. He was a station commander there. Yabo. So, I'm a 5 rand ngawaqoqa as I enzi 500 rand. I just can't remember for how long waqoqa ever since ngiqalile manje. Yabo. Nga forced ukuphuma ebusuku ngabo 10. Ngiphuma ngebail ngakokota iminyango ngamemeza eseleni ukuthi amaphoyisa ezwe mabazile ngathi umagistrate uthi mangithola 500 ngiphume bathi nokusebusuku ngathi never bathi indoda ngathi niyavula la ngayenza umsindo futhi base bavula ngenqondo yokuthi ngiyokhuluma nangaba nalo khona iCID bebathele khona ema-church office kusebusuku ngathi bathi no usibani banokhona ngithi ngifuna ukukhuluma naye maba ngivulela ngifika ngada angisafuni ukubuyela emaseleni ngiyenze esinye strike vele bebangijwayele nge-strike bathi ngihlanyiswa ijele ngijimile ngaka ngishaya push up every day yabo so ngafika nganidlala le 500 phezulu kwe-counter by counter ngathi never bathi ekuseni moleko ngathi hayi ngine 500 mangafa ngale before ekuseni nizothini ngiyenza leso strike until ngiphuma ugogo wami ubone ngingena ngo-11 ebusuku that's why ngithi ugogo wami sometimes iputi ngimphathisa inhliziyo nginokuzisola ukuthi ngimbulele early ngenhliziyo nangengqondo yabo because bekangithanda and I was this chacharach yabo so mangifika athi awubalekanga wena ngithi never azange lale ke ugogo wami ukuthi ngibalekile nginamanga because bekangazi ngamanga ugogo yabona bhuti and then hlelikele lo veki makumele ngiye court ngitshela umagogo wami a day before ukuthi magogo you're gonna be my witness please if ufuna ngiphume you're gonna be my witness wena and wena uzotshela amaphoyisa ukuthi mina ngihamba ebusuku ngihlezi nginawe silala endlini eminyango ye1 ophumayo of which was true vele umnyango wethu we1 and then wena because uyangazi ngistot wakhetha ukuthi uthatha isikhiya usifake la emabeleni masilala every time and wena unginika isikhathi sokuthi sekungena ngo7 la endlini because inyakanga ebusuku you know me yabo because nama used to tell a court ukuthi mina ngutsotsi nyakanga or ngiyabhema insango it depend yabona ukucase esikhulumayo I will just nje ngiconfess nje easy yabo so ugogo wami wavumelana nami ekseni makumele sihambe ngayijika futhi lento ngijikisa umagogo egate ngithi ne gogo bengimbiza umama yabo ngithi ne mama ngicabanga ukuthi labantu sibadlale ngenye ingqondo wena hlala la as an old lady mina will request a car mangifike court ukuthi they will come and fetch you here you can't walk because you are sick and you are an elder over 90 yabo so ngaba nengqondo ukuthi bazongunderstanda a court ngahamba ke ngayi court but ngay mention lento witness they asked me do you have a witness to witness what you are saying ngathi yes sir but where is he or she ngathi no it's my grandmother and is at home and is waiting for the car she's ready she's waiting just for the car to come and fetch her we don't have money gogo is a pensioner they all laughed bangihleka but kwaba ngathi ngikhuluma amanga or ngislema or ngina I didn't understand it but that's when I understand ukuthi I lost the case mabengihleka because they used to do that to other people and then sentencing them you know so here it is happening to me now when they laugh at me which means better lo that's their language court bagoba isikhathe eside bagoba that time sekhala endlebeni la angazi khala nje enkulu angisezwa fakol yabona umagistrate wangitshela ukuthi ngizohlala kakhulu ejele over 22 years yabo for double rape for double robbery and assault man yeah but I wonder ngathi bengayigwetshelwanga yona or kanjani ngisakhumbule yabo yeah because baba murile they murdered them yabona umuntu may rape amos yeah engathi nalabo sisi bebelwela amabakhuluma yabo bebelwela nabo abazange bayithola easy labantu yabona and then nabo those ladies they were mentioning iskhathi khona okwazwe ngebhodlela enhloko yabona but la akunolimele enhloko la sichekiwe nathi akunolimele assembly board ne first time they did not point me they didn't know me first time but the guy next to me they pointed him bamkhombile lo engiboshwe naye yabona first time second time bamkhomba futhi mina I was pointed by this one girl now for the second time but first time she said no I don't see anyone like him here yabo ungikhombe for the second time manje. Remember ecourt sinikwe chance assembly sinikwe chance zokushintsha impahla nani yabo and then I was guilty. I was sentenced 22 years. Yabo only to find azange ngihlale 22 years. Ngahlala 3 years 6 months. Into engimangaze kakhulu leyo. Because I was down and out. Bese prepared for 22 years engqondweni. Uyabona? Ngizwa sokhulunywa ngabo correctional supervision. Truly speaking mina azange landelele but uyabona ukuthi kwenzakalana. I was happy to be out and thinking they made a mistake because I thought they made a mistake by sentencing me as well. You know, they are gonna say I out. So kuthi makuphela unyaka oqala wesithu ngabona ukuthi okay yapantinta yabo then tukutuku parole board after 3 years after 2 years couple of months parole board okwesithu banginika idate bathi indoda uziphethe kahle wozala thatha nali ticket. They give you another ticket now. They take the old one, they give you the new one, and the new one is stating the date as to when are you going outside. And that is a dangerous ticket ejele monalo. Eline date yokuthi wena uphuma nini.
Nobody must see that
No.
ticket.
No. Don't risk that.
You must keep it safe like a bank account.
Yes. Like a PIN number. Like a PIN number. Account you can give it to anyone. A PIN number. Ungayibambi because abanye they bonded with you. Nihlala iminyaka ngithi. They bonded with you, they don't want you to leave them there. Yes, they want you to go out, but not leave them. And unfortunately, you're going to leave them. Young child. So they might do tricks. Yabona. Baplante insango, khona manje maSun City kuyaseshwa uzoboshwa. Yabo. Omunye nje ukudlela ijealous. Akafuna uphume. Yabo, uzoplanta yenze something or akulwise. Yabona akuprovoke. Khona umuntu othi lapha yana mabakuprovoke ejele bayenza kamampela. Hayi provoke amagama, yabo. Ngaza ngikutshela ngikushanga empama. Ngikhahlele phambili. Uyayibona into enjalo. Into ezwenza ukuthi ulwe. Then ejele manilwele. Doesn't matter who started it or who won or who lost. You are both guilty, guys. Just nje oyiqalile uyozothola isentence inyana ethe qaqa. Uyabona? Yes. So ngathola ke lelo ticket. I couldn't believe but I hid it and mina akuzange kube nomuntu ongibuza ngecase yami. I was so talkative ejele. Uyabona? But akuzange kube nomuntu ongibuza ukuthi uboshelwene or wenza how many years. Never. Maybe ukukhuluma kwami kakhulu ekubavimbila ngazi. Uyabona because bengi striker nasejele as soon as ngijwayela nje ngaba striker because I joined a gangster again in jail. Yabo ngijoyine umthetho into eyaqesha yadelay ukuphuma kwami.
You could have came out earlier, way earlier, ne?
Yeah. No, I came out in their time.
Okay.
Yes, in their time. But ngalento yomthetho ampur, yabona. Yeah, almost ngimosha yonke into because mawu gangster just ukuba igangster ejele you are guilty. You are guilty of joining a gangster as a ejele. Then ukwenza izinto zakhona lama activities abawayenzayo. Yabona? And then now uzoba guilty uzoboshwa futhi bakongezelele futhi. They will add up there. Yabona maybe 6 days. 20 days, 25 days. That's why abanye bangayithathele ekhanda lento yama 10 days, 25 days ekubeni yena wenza 10 years. Usitshela ukuthi mangenza 22 years, i25 days yini iyayigwinya. Wabona? Only to find ubulima bethu abantu ababoshiwe lento. Ayigwinyi. Nothing is gwinya nothing something here. Ihlala phezulu. We should so wenza 10 years, 25 days. Bakushaya 6 days so enza 10 years 31 days kanjalo yabona. That's why abanye abantu bangena nge3 years baphuma ngama 15 years iyenzwa kanjalo ukuboshwa nje ngecouple etiye oyithengile ikofu ishukela you get 6 days 5 days 10 days kuboshwa ngesikhathini senyama nje 10 days 25 days uyayichola uyagwetshwa ukumosha itekiti lento it's called ukumosha itekiti ulimoshile yabona eparole board sozozwa ngabo bakutshela ukuthi awuziphatha kahle uyekela ushukela man awuziphatha bakutshela ngento ya last year eparole board mabefikile because they have your record when they call you on parole board your record is here say everything that you did everything that is happening around you affecting you they will know they will tell you about so on my case I was clean luckily yabo I was clean when this parole board came to me I was clean and they encouraged me to stay like that and after 3 months they come back again I was given a ticket now which has a date of me coming out when I read it nicely it tells me that I have 7 months now left in jail. I was happy, I was scared, I was everything. Remember, when is your time to go out, you're gonna be scared. Uyasaba ukuthi ngaphandle new environment again for you. It's old environment but it's new now. Yabo? So abantu bazongithatha kanjani ngaphandle zonke lezo zinto yabo abantu engibamoshele ama enemies yabona and they are prepared I'm not yabona if you are still willing to go and pursue what you were doing before yabona but me as a changed man when I come out I was not scared of my enemies I was scared of the victims yabona ukuthi how will they react when they see me? Yabon? And I don't want to see them. I didn't want to see them. Yabon? And ngabona ukuthi hey into enzima leyo I was so scared but ukuphuma going to last day because you push now days with your mind you don't sleep you see your mind is disturbed on the other side you must watch your steps ukuthi bangaboni le tikiti yabona ukuthi bangakumoshela yabo yeah so I spent that 3 years 6 months but in trial 2 years yabo so I came out but
What are some of the craziest things that happened in jail?
you see Bra James Bra Justice many things are happening in there craziest things but I can recall this one there was this brother of mine at the gang I was a big 5 gang there. You see. So this brother of mine, there is this thing of little boys turning into girls. Because there is no girls there. You see. So you young boys are gonna be girls there. You close that space nje. So kuthi nibe abafazi. Yabo. So kunabantu abajolayo da. Abajolayo nje ezingaphandle. Bangethi umjolo uqabange ngaphandle. Kunabantu abathandana serious kunabafazi namadoda abashadiwe yabona kunabathengisayo you just give him cigarette we go to the shower and I satisfy myself you understand yonke into ongayiqabanga ngabafazi ikhona nale so laba bebajola only to find kungena umunye ubracket wethu we big 5 omdala from other jail yabona so makafika la bathi uthathwe idraft umuntu mawuhamba from one jail to another they say uyadraftiwa uthathwe idraft so nangu uyangena lo bro wethu kanti owazana nomfowethu omncane ne big 5 elincane lele lijola na le big 5 elidala uyabona owazana naye from somewhere ngaphandle makafika and then bakhulume bazane ukuthola ukuthi lo ufila ngathi manje bamthathela umfazi remember singama big 5 sonke ufila ngathi bamthathela umfazi lo ya kanti ngebhadi benjalo bodi bebamthatha umuntu wakhe ene la eStoffberg siyazi umuntu wakhe so kufike this new boyfriend yabo yafika yathatha le maid lena lentwana lena seyidontshwa ngapha nangapha sekuhanjwa manje ikhomba isikhomba is when ama big 5 or ama 26 or in bahlangene ba discuss something wabona they bend on one corner there wabona bakhuluma ngale language yesinombolo that's when sithi kusesikhombeni la ngasho nje ngasingaphandle ngithi kuse boardroom uyabona yeah or meeting boardroom yes into enjalo so ibanjwa ngalimani so lo omunye lo okuyi owner yale chair azange athande i-decision ethathiwe la abobra bethu yabo ukuthi manje yekela lo muntu akasakuthandi yabo akasakufuni uthola umuntu omusha uthanda lona myekele mfethu so lo muntu wa actor as if okay it's fine nothing wrong I will move on kanti dimani uye toilet same time but kanti dimani uye toilet ufika uyokakela phakathi kwekomishi there is this bawabiza ama-era inkomishi lezenke it's a cup normal cup nje but it's a sink yabo wakakela ngada makaqeda or ukakela toilet wakha I don't understand uyabona but uze awagoqoza like a tea uyabona
With water.
yeah like what uze awagoqoza kanje uyasidlula uyakuphufunana nalentwana ekuyicherry yakhe ukuthi makayibona bhuti wathi umthela ngawo straight ebusweni so yabo so that's when I understand ubu serious bokujole ejele ukuthi imana angazayenza kanje imana angazayenza kanje
Kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi wamrelease manje.
yes uyamrelease ukuthi okay but manje with something because akafuna ukulwa somshaya ama big 5 angathi usenombolweni lo muntu so angeke ashawe easy kanjalo yabo so wakhetha ukuthi instead ukuthi alwe ngezandla wala ngamakaka so that was the craziest for me eke yenzeka yabo umuntu ophile esaka ngapha yabo that was the craziest but eke yenzeka well for me to me na into ehlanyayo eke yenzeka kimi yabo because I was young but just this yabo I was early 20s yabo dimane uyangifuna uyangishela daba yakushela but yabo dimane uyangishela straight but only to find bese kunabanye abaningi abangishelile ne sengiyenzeni sengibonile ukuthi kunaba fostayo yabona ukuthi like icherry mawungayiniki imali wayinika 200 kusasa maso uthi woza solala angafoni and nese roomini yabona uzofuna ukufosta nyana amajita that's what he did and then ukuthi maka angishela dimane ngamqoma because bengifana nabanye abocherry nami la ngaphandle bengoqoma kodwa ngokuqomanga ngiqoma because ungiconvinceile wena I told you ukuthi angekho lapho angokuthanda or something wena wangiconvince yabona so I was convinced ngokuthi manje ngithatha lento ngithembisa zona insango ukwayi imali it was a struggle for me there yabo because ugogo uyonginakekelayo mina akekho umunye enengemali yepension and remember ngalezo nkathi abogogo bahola 300 and something there was no money man but uyeza every month but makazela kashe nothing big yabona just nje ngikhuthala ukuthi yena ukhona yeah ungikhipha up emotional and spiritual so this guy ngathatha lezinto wangibhekela maybe 2 weeks sabeke appointment ukuthi kumele ngimvakashele eseleni because you can do that uyamvakashela umunye umuntu emaseleni amaphoyisa ejele bafuna inamba bona ihlangane ukuthi how many number kulela cell how many number they don't care about that yabona bafuna nje mabase bakhawuntile mabayohlanganisa inamba ngaphambili ehlangane dimane ngabona ukuthi ngiyanamhlanje kuye now is the day for me yabo and then that's when ngicabanga iplan because bese ngine weapon nami there you must have a weapon but ejele yabona especially bawo kule situation sokuthi wena bafuna ukulala nawe if ungafoni you must have a weapon because at some point bazokurapa into bengisaba leyo yabo ukuthi bangangirapa mabangirapa ngizoyenzana that's when ngiyenza iweapon ngama packs indukunyana nje ezincane ngafaka ama razor I collected razor for a long time because angiwathole amaningi ngesikhathi esi1 that's when ngiloko mangithola irazor nje mangibhaye razor e1 nje ngiloko ngiyayibeka until abe maningi ngawafasa la ngawafasa ngebandage ngawafasa ngesolo tape ukuthi ngiwabambe so mangiyibambe so dile lama razor avelela ehide le yabo ngisitshela ukuthi ngizokhatha omunye opa nama twins ngizomkhatha straight makangangirape ongilisho ufane ngabona ukuthi oh le weapon iyosebenza kulo manje yabo yamlanda because bengisaba ukuthi ngizoboshwa mangilimaza umuntu inini uyaboshwa vela abanandaba yabona mina ngathi hayi awuthi ngingizame le kuqala kwathi ngesikhathi sephaka siselayinini ngamlanda ngathi ebhutizo kala yi uzoza vele angathi ubizwa umuntu wakhe uzoza wazakala mangifika ngithi asipotela ngayibe kunehholo nyana la sibukele ama TV emini amajele mawavuliwe kunehholo sibiza iTV cell leyo so sijopela ngayo masifika ngada ngathi ebhoti yazi kanjani athi kanjani ngithi bheka angithi bo uthe wena ngizokuvakashela so bheka ke khona into bengizoyenza la but now ngiyaqabangela ngibona uyiGrootman ele right blind yabo ongeke lifanele ileyo nto athi yini ngithi bheka yabo lento bengithi ngizokunqamula amasende mina bengizokhumula ngokunike but amasende wakho bewazohamba namhlanje engambona ajuluka tatazela but straight 99 ngathi uyangizwa but wahamba angazange angiphendula ngathi uyangizwa but plus ngithukile ngicabanga ukuthi uzobuyisa inqindi wa something naye he must react phela uyayifona sengidla imali yakhe wahamba wavela wahamba lo but azange asaba khona emapapeni kanti useselini lakhe yolala ngakusasa uyangibheka ngambulisa wavumela phansi ngambulisa futhi nini until saze sajwayelana naloGrootman angivuma ukuthi amfana shaya la wena ingqondo yakho right for ukubhantinta wena you are fit here amtshela ngathi hayi but ngeke ufake itotoloza la because wena pro justice abantu bebahlala nabantu lapha bayashintsha yabo bayashintsha khumbula ukuthi kule number lezi ngingathi kule number kulabantu lapha khona bayithanda ngecondom khona bayithanda emathangeni angithi ayikho original singamadoda ayikho so sobanike emathangeni sibiza iplastic or irekere ngoba ephone khong leyo uhlanganisa amathanga nje afaka ukwayi you understand so abanye icondom yabona ama condom ayathunyelwa ejele ngithi not by mistake kumele aye la kuyalalana la emadodeni manje so kunabanye abazoyifuna kweshaya ngaphakathi endono embobeni endono they call it chocolate box you know bafuna ukuyifaka lapha abanye so bengibona abanye abantu bashintsha ama character babanare yabona umuntu ubone ngathi usekaya gula kancane uyabona mose umuntu onare bhuti babanare akasasula imidoko make kuhadla akasavala amazipi kahle amahembe akasawakinopi kahle uyabona into enjalo so mina I figured out ukuthi laba bayifaka phakathi laba chocolate box so kusho ukuthi lento bayenza babenare ama spams because endodeni ayapha ama spams kumuntu wesifazana singasho sithi akhona la yakhona yabona because bayenzwe kanjalo endodeni ayaphi lama spams are different namhlanje kusasilo ngoba kukhona aboteka famba lapho
abobani lapho
aboteka famba yilabo abalala noma ubani wena sana ozala tek ozala yes ozaman sekadezi yabo now nje ungambiza ozala ufika namhlanje ungambiza ozala fika ohlabe toilet akasanandaba nokuthi niyasifihla yena mawungene shower nje ukukhumbula ishower evalwa ngeseyila nyana nje yabona of which isithunzi siyabonakala noma ungabonakala wena ngada but isithunzi siyabonakala ukuthi labantu bayithunga ngapha and labantu bayenza song ngapha and the voices a little bit you'll hear noma bangathi bayazibamba you know sex mas nini na usako wesibamba so khozwa ipartner ukuthi uyaraza uyabona injalo khona abantu abanjalo but so those people abantwana babantu angithi la ngaphandle ama favorite abomama ama favorite ama time wabo uyabona maribheka babanjani mabafika la so hiyo nami lento yangiphazamisa over bebangigijimisa over plus I was fit I was beautiful uyangibona ngathi but clean ngibhakile ngimhlophe bengifana nomama so they used to run after me uyabona so lawo ma instant lawo yiwo bewafuna uku traumatize even ngithi ngiadmit but yiwo angitraumatizele You can ask yourself, where was I from 2000 until now? That's when ngivelela manje on my YouTube. Because I couldn't speak, but about things. I bottled many things inside. So ziyangigulisa la. I'm not sure about myself anymore. I'm not sure which I'm capable of doing this, I'm capable of saying this. I'm not sure. Umuntu makaqala athi hey ungenzi kanje noma bengibona ukuthi right sengiyajika yabo. I used to be like that. But I was never being myself ever since ngibuye ejele mina. Never. That's now, this year, I'm starting to be like feeling myself. Because now I'm taking out things. I'm taking out things. So, lenkulisile ejele kakhulu, nenombolo. Yabo. So, many people, they deny ukuthi bayagula. Engibuya nabo le. Yabo. That is why mabafika ngaphandle, they do other bad things, they go back again. How can you get help when you don't allow people to help you, or when you don't accept that you're sick? But intentional, I almost get mad, man, because ezinye izinto zoqabanga too much we-one. But I manage many things, but just this. I quit crime, my anger issues, ngazisolva with time. The way that I speak to people. Bengashayi 3 sentences ngakathukani, ne? But today I can go million sentences ngakathukani. But it's a practice, it's a long process. Respect. Benga respect anyone, man, but I demanded respect. But I learned all those things all by myself until today.
When you look at these young boys that are taking cell phones in the hood, Ekasi, and the guys that are doing some bad things, Ekasi, do you think most of them, they are aware which wenzakala nature?
No, they are not aware which wenzakala nature because abantu ababuye ejele ababayenze aware. Bayenza ngathi kusewatela lapha, bayenza ngathi they will have it good. Only to find labantu bafuna nabo bayozwa into bayizwile. Mina ngithatha kanjalo. And again, parents, abazali, they are not consistent. Yokubeka imithetho nokuyifollow up kubantwana babo. So they have much time in their hands. Estrateni. Uzothola intwana ye-22 years, ayikwazi ukuwasha ibruko layo, ayikwazi ukuwasha amateki, ayikwazi ukupheka ipapa, ayikwazi ukuklina, ayikwazi ukudlula umbhede. Ayikwazi ukubulisa abantu abadala edlula. And you will hear abazali. Umntanami lo bengiwane odroom eLabour Ward. Akekho ozongitshela what happened to that name elithi it takes a village to raise a child. Alisasebenzi kubo mama banamhlanje. But I forgive them, futhi, because this nowadays, when I put justice, sesinogogo ka 35 years. Ne? Ugogo, straight ugogo. Not by age.
Yeah.
But unomzukulu. Una 20 years yena, una 35 years. Wayenze unomntwana we 20 years. Lo mntwana we 20 years unengane. So ugogo lo. But he cannot perform or ukukhuluma ngezabo gogo. Kwayena usadinga guidance yobumama, kwayena ugogo lo we 35 years. We understand about it. So kubo baba ikhona leyo nto, but it's rare, kubo baba ukuthi wenza umntwana omncane, it's rare. Abantu abawumama. So ukukhulisa abantwana bayaplandara buti kakhulu. Bayaplandara, or they become lazy or something. Kunale gama lethu ukukhulisa umntwana kunzima. Mina I disagree. Yes, ukumkhulisa kuzoba nzima, mara ukuphila nomntwana easy. Uyakela ukumkhulisa uzozikhulela umntwana. Umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu loyo. Don't do your job, not God's job. Wena umsebenzi wakho ukugayida lo mntwana ukuthi makaqala after 3 years aqala ukukhuluma. Then umfundisa ukukhuluma masekakwazi, you don't celebrate. Usasemningi umsebenzi. Kusamele umfundisi ukuthi akhulume nobani nini kanjani ngobani isikhathi. Angazosithuka estradeni. Somshaya. Umfundisi ukuhamba, masekaqeda ukuhamba, don't celebrate yet. there's still job to come now yokuthi ahambe kuphi nobani nabobani ngobani isikhathi even the movement itself uyayimonitor movement kamntanakho uyamkhethela umntanakho abangani uyamkhethela abangani uNkulunkulu ukudalele lokho and imistake yabazali abaningi wena but justice lo mntana mina ngazi ufunani ngimenzela everything to me problem right there akekho umuntu okumele ayenzelwe everything but justice everything no umuntu independent kumele azenzele you groom the man or the lady to do things for herself or for himself makakhula kusho ukuthi manje ipractice development yabona lo muntu uzoba independent mawumenzela yonke into but justice the time ungekho or ungasakhoni that is why ubona babuya abashaba umama babo ufuna sekaya demand manje angathi umama ujwayele ukumthengela ufuna ini nezibhedayo uyamthengela umama hey wena Siphiwe ngizobona ngenzani month end uyangithola bhuti wami babathengelana nama walker pipes umama athengela umntwana iwalker pipe come on guys you're sending him straight to the drugs man because now he's going to be flavor abaphe mama drugs iflavor ivale something let me teach you mama ivala something and iwalker pipe kwayona ingozi yabona ngike ngaye esibhedlele bhuti iwalker pipe ngayibona yenzana abantu and esibhedlele abanamuthi abana nothing the only thing abangakunika yona ukufaka idrip and hope for the best
abanamuthi
for habli icon next intombazane lengayibona bengangomuno wami bhuti basibonisa isithombe sayo ukuthi usiso sidodlo pakile bekangaka afake lento le oxygen she's coughing wire and okhipha ikhwehlele ezingozi makakodwa ayibuyisela makakhohlela bathi wonke umuntu uyakhala ngala uzubhlungu embheka athi nathi bekakhohlela la I was coming to visit one of my family member lapho mangizobona le ntombazane walker pipe so I blame abazali bhuti yabo mina for abantwana mina ke I stand by the kids mina ngithi ngeke ublame umntwana umuntu omdala ekhona angeke ufundisiwe lo mntwana whatever yaziyo angithi uyababona elokushini bayenza nomntwana uyajiva uyadonosa uyafesha bayajiva jiva kamnandi uyabona i-development nayo uzofuna ukubukela omunye masekakholile lo mntwana i-birthday uthi emini yabantu abadala ebusuku emini yabantwana ebusuku yabantu abadala umntwana e3 years ungathenga utshwala be4000 kanjani wenza i-birthday abantu bayenza i-excuse nje yokuphuza yabona ngabantwana uyabona lo mntwana lo naye ama-birthday wakhe emakakhula uzowayenza kanje yabona so mina I'm here ukuthi it's not only alcohol yokuthi abafana bami bangajabula ngayo you can be happy by drinking a juice by drinking a tea by reading books yabona positive mind nje kwintwana mina I stand for that because what I experience in jail bro justice icon ngeke bayimele leyo ngeke but yabona
yeah no bafo ngiyabonga yazi yeah ngiyabonga I hope your story helps a lot of people out there.
Thank you,
you know
sir.
You speak about parents, you know, I hope they take what you're saying, you know, even the guys that are watching this and they are stealing cell phone, you know, they're doing some crazy stuff, even the ones that are planning to do those sort of things. I hope they get that, you know, lesson from you because ejele akukho mnandi.
Yeah, you know mawukhuluma ngaleyo nto wena but justice umsebenzi wami wokuvimba intwana yabo ngeke ngikhathale because now there is this big thing coming yabona engiyenzayo Upper Foundation yabo Upper Foundation iyeza bhuti and then izomela ama victims we crime whatever victims but in particular rapist ama victim we rape ama victim we abuse because I was arrested for a rape engazange yenze but let me tell you I believe those sisters they were raped my brother uyangithola ngiyabakholwa ba rapeiwa just nje kwaba wrong masekuthiwa yimi yabo so it's fine by me Now I'm saying that now. Ngalesa sikhathi bengayisho, bengiyangisho kanje ngithi it's fine. Yabona? But now it's fine by me, but I'm gonna now make sure ukuthi I'm a rapist. They get what they deserve. And then I'm victims because they are not being taken care of after. Ayingemali ayingane. Ngengqondo but amagama yabo nokuthi angabe intimidated by a perpetrator yabo because now lento yamafoni eyenzakalayo emajele but bayabafonela labantu angithi masiboshwa sithi siyabuya yes so amafoni adlala leyo role bayaba intimidator inambo batshele khotha ukuthi uyadlala wena ini yabona so I stand for again boys talent lama boys everyone a black person, a black young boy, une talent, black young lady out there, une talent. Ziyafa, zifele makasi, zifele mikhukhwini azibonakala. Yabona? And then they get frustrated, bayenzane bawele entweni ezirong. Amajwala ini. You can't blame them if you can't give them something. Yabona but so many I'm willing to be with them 100%. Yabona? Ngibanikeze ukuthi ba expose italent labo, abantu abaqulayo bababone easy. Abadlala ibhola uyangithola butwana abasema drugsini abafuna ukuphuma because mina but justice azange ngibe itsotsi ngoba bengihlupheka yabo bengahlupheki mina bengithola impahla Christmas no June bengishama eskhele kudala komama mongenzayo but the only problem that she did bekangahlale nami close I wanted her close. So bengihamba ngihlala and anginakithi akana kwakhe we changed stepfather from one to another from this to another ngiyazi sishangani today ngenxa ye stepfather
Ubulabula sishangani
nasibalabula sishangani anisitibana ko sitsala futhi anjonda rishile njondile standard 2 shame mara 6 months insela ngikhano la babona ko rena sokola man
imakasha ko cinca it's stepfather kungena lokuhuma lo
kuhuma lo unjondisa sishangana balabula sishangana lo ahoma yena kungena mvenda nikhomba shivenda zwini aba
nikhomba mwanyana umzulu
kungena mzulu futhi umama mina hayi amazulu hayi bekathanda amashangana namavenda ngazi why or wethanda tall and konje kuthiwa ithole yini black and handsome tall black and handsome ngathi bekayithanda kanjalo mama kanti those are fighters those are abusers I hate stepfather today because of bona but I know not all stepfathers kunama great stepfather mfethu uyangithola I know they are there and big up to them because they are doing great jobs. This is not their children. Yabona akusomntana akho yamkholisa. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi umama akhe naye ukuphilisa kanzima because mawukhoza umntana akhe ukugadela uyazi akuso wakho ngithi ukugadela. Yabona so ukuphilisa kabuhlungu akathi umntwana akho ilela gama thina singabantu abamnyama abo half brother half sister step mother step sister. I hate those names. Thina as blacks abazali bethu mabalobolana Mr Justice you are my brother spek omdala kimi nawe yimi ngimdala omdala ubhuti wena and I'm going to respect you as ubhuti not half brother stepmother ubabami mfethu angathi ujabulisa umama ujabulile nami ngiyachoka kufudumele endlini ngilala ngisuthi ubabami lo asekeni lento ukuthi i stepfather yabona ubani lo hayi cause ubhuti wami kodwa uyayibona ukubonisa ukuthi ayikho ngesintu every language isichangana isivenda isiswati isixhosa ayikho lekaka le yokuthi step what asiyekeni ibizwa abantu abaya understandayo so iupper foundation it is going to recorrect those things brawam nokunakekela ama elders yabona khona manje we don't know the information asinayo information yokuthi siphahla kanjani yangithola inhlonipha ama morals yazi umuntu okholisa ugogo but angeke athuke umuntu omdala angeke kusho ukuthi athukane nje randomly yabona estradeni ungena endlini early umuntu okholisa ugogo kufaka ama morals
principles
yes kunabantu abakhulele phansi kwabogogo claiming ukuthi bakhuliswa abogogo no just nje iguardian yakhe bekugogo but lo bekangamameli ugogo lo bekangamameli ugogo. So umuntu onjalo akakhuliswanga ugogo Justice. Ukhulele phansi kwagogo as a guardian. So thina sikhuliswa bogogo. Angithoka umfazi mina. Angishaya umfazi mina. Angithi nxa kumfazi. Yes ngiyakwata ngumuntu. Yabona ngibheka phansi nje ngithule ngiphume. Mbuye futhi ngimkhulumise. I'm out of there. Ijele nalo ngifundisa ukuthi have peace, have respect, have love but. Yabona. So iUpper Foundation le izosiza lezo zinto. Abantu ngifuna ukuthi bayithembe. It is coming and very fast. Yangithola but abantu ngifuna ukuthi bayithembe, bayisupport yabo. Yabantu abadala lento. Esitho sizobonisana ukuthi abantwana bayenzwa kanjani, bakhuliswa kanjani, yini wrong abantwana. Abantwana lento bazokwazi ukuthi babe ne greater future. Bazi ukuthi bahlonipha abazali babo kanjani. Yabona? Yama elders lento ukuthi bazothola isikhathi sokuthi catch up. Phela lo muntu akasana bangani. Ama ex wakhe wonke ashonile lo muntu. Yabona? Uselayi 1 mase kamdala na 8 years. You understand that but so labo bantu we need to be combined with them and share wisdom. Yabona? Because sinegana generations by generations. So let's cut the chain le yokuthi mina ngithole kunje ngeke ngishintshe ini uyabona asikhathe leyo chain sizoba ne society right. So through iUpper Foundation but it is going to be late because into yomphakathi it's important foundation, very important foundation because it direct kuma social issues. You understand that? And abantu abafuna ukusupport iUpper Foundation uyabona ngicela bame iyeza manje bazoyisupport but abafuna ukusupport uUpper now because I have a coffee corner, I have a corner, I'm selling peanuts, sweets by the corner. That's how I make my money. Yabona? But there I can't wait ukuthi hey ngibe grand nge-foundation or ngibe grand. I'm working now. Yabona, I'm doing it now. Abafana ngiyaba-invite laphayana beze ku-Upper. Wherever you see u-Upper, don't wait to go in jail ukuthi wena uzokwazi ukwenzakalani ejele if you are curious. Yangithola? Him lo. Ngakutshela everything. Yabona? Ngejele ezintwana yami. Yabona? Ngizomtshela lapha ekhoneni eze. Makanenkinga before asibulala eze ku-Upper mfowethu. Yabo? Before ayeke isikolo because that is my biggest regret ever. Before ayeke isikolo akeze kimi futhi sizoyitekita. And I'm telling you uzohamba right. Ngiyabonga for justice.
Yeah, no, thank you so much, man.
Thank you
so much for coming.